What's up, YouTubers? Sorry about the carpet cleaner video. I'm not gonna upload it because it was so long. So, back here with a different title and different name, AlarmClock Demolition. Yes, I have another alarm clock. So, untangled here. Okay, so let me plug this bad boy in and I'll show you what all we got here. I'm gonna sit by the heater. Alright, let me plug this bad sucker in and I'll show you what we have. Okay, so yeah, me and my little brother and sister were playing with it the other day, and we got a little fun. Hit the screen here. Let me see if I'm still recording.
Voice 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
20. Voiceover off.
Okay. So here we go. Let's turn this. Ah, damn it.
Voiceover on. 1 minute. 1 minute. 30. View 1 minute. 37 seconds. View file. Take pic. Stop. Take 1 minute. 1 minute. 42 seconds. App switch. View. Activate. Voiceover off.
Okay. I stopped recording there for a second, but I'm not. So here is our new alarm clock. Huh. Plug in. Here. Okay, now it's plugged in. So move you guys out of the way so this is gonna get hurt. Make sure this thing is. Well, alright guys, so I got it turned on, I got it turned up. So, something that we should do here first. I bet you know that it's haven't seen this before on alarm clocks. So let's see. Let's see if you guys have seen this. Oh no. Let me figure that out. Yeah. And it's still running. Oh, I don't like that smell. Ooh. still going. Yeah, here, listen. What the hell? Alright, so this thing needs to die. Okay, so I'm gonna kill this thing once and for all. Oh, damn. Yeah, speaker. Hold on. Oh, shit. It's fried. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Okay, no more. Fuck you too. Fuck you too. Alright, so you know what happens when it tries to hurt me. It really tried to hurt me. So you know what happens when something hurts something watching Devin. So you heard that. Oh yeah. Alright. Time to have some real fun with this thing. Oh shit. Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Guys, you gotta see this. Guys. Oh wow, you gotta see this. Oh yes, you gotta see this. You gotta see this to believe. Man. Oh yeah. I'm not saving the cord, but we'll do that here in a minute. Okay. Just make a little fun video. So here we go. We have our snooze button. How many people hate the snooze button? Don't you guys want to just see the snooze button? Don't you guys want to just punch the snooze button in? That's what I did earlier. I just punched the snooze button in. So let's flip it over to the back of the screen here. So you might or may not be able to tell I got a hole in the screen. So let's. I just cracked the screen. Oh shit. It's not a very good screen, but let me see where my flathead went. Oh shiznaps. Oh damn. That's solid glass too right there. Oh yeah. So that's just nice. Hold on one second, I'll show you guys what I have. Oh shit, did I just stop myself?
Voiceover 9 minutes. Voiceover off.
Okay. So here we have ourselves. Damn it.
Voiceover on. 9 minutes.
Okay.
37. App. Activate. Camera. Voiceover off.
Okay. So very, very sorry again. So we have ourselves a piece of glass screen right there. And a view right there, as you could see. Our glass screen there. So, goodbye screen. Alright, let's remove this rest of the screen here before we cut ourselves. No one likes to cut themselves, do they? No one likes to cut themselves. Okay, so this thing needs to be removed. It's not very safe. Alright, so I can move my way up. Alarm clock pieces, guys. Rattle, rattle, rattle. We got another piece of glass screen. And this is like a main. Another piece. And then oh wow, this is why I drilled a hole in too. The main screen right there. Alright, let's finish the screen up right here. Let's finish the screen up. Let's see what about the screen. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's definitely our screen right there, sir. Definitely our screen. Definitely our screen. Oh yeah. So we have little pieces of glass. Oh yeah. Oh dang. Oh dang. Oh yes. Oh yeah. No place for it now. So yeah, I promise you guys, this one won't be as long as the carpet cleaner one. But I'll get another carpet cleaner. Okay, so this thing will come apart. Oh yeah. Oh damn. Oh damn. Okay. So here's our main components here. Here's what we have to deal with. It's all coming out at once. Holy hell. This is what got me right here. Was a fucking little, I don't know what you call that, but hang on 1 second. So okay, so this is our motherboard of all motherboards here. Okay. Trying not to stop my recording here. So as you can see, there's our motherboard right there. There's all of our buttons right on the other side right here. There's all broken stuff right there. And then I'll lay you guys on the bottom. Okay. Well, okay. There's all kinds of stuff. Okay. This is what I broke right here. When you guys kept hearing pop, pop, pop. And yeah. This is what I broke right here. It's the speaker. can get the okay. So this is what I broke right here. Is our component right here. This is our speaker. You kept hearing it pop, and that's what got me earlier. This thing, I really don't know what this is called. Something to yourself. Okay, this is kind of like a paper film on like things. They put glass in between. So this is like their paper film. So I don't know what they would call that. It's like paper or something. Yeah, it's all glass, like motherboard there. It's like your screen. So like, let me show you. So like in between that, so like right here on this side is our motherboard, like a small motherboard. It shows you the screen, what time it is. And on this side, I don't know on that side, but on that side it's like a piece of glass. So let's move on here. So on this side here, it's like a box or some type of thing. Ooh, I broke that. I know I broke that. I heard something crack, so I know I broke something. So, okay. What do we have in here? Cut this off of here. Okay. So really what we have in here? Really nothing. We have something, don't see nothing. So guys, that. Let's see what we did here. Okay, so there's all kinds of like diodes in there. I'm trying to get them out so I can show you guys what's inside this little wire clock here. So I put my hand. Alright. There. Move. Not trying to move. Not trying to move. Not trying to move. Not trying to move, boy. Whoa, piece of wire way over there. Okay. So we have in here. We have our, if I can get that out. Trying to flip so I can get that out. piece of screwdriver is holding something in place. Alright. So guys, get this out of here and I'll show you guys what we have and end the video off. Alright. So this little thing here, so I'm about taking the motherboard out. I will show you what this thing does here. So I will show you real quick. Fuck. Okay, stop.
Voiceover, cam, landscape, view, portrait, view, 21 minutes, 15, voiceover off.
Alright, so this thing here I just popped off is our battery cover. This thing is for like the batteries and stuff. So, last piece here is for your
voiceover on. Camera. Camera. Close camera. Activate.
sorry.
Camera. Take picture. Button.
Okay. So I'm sorry again, but this piece here you're seeing right there with all the wiring and stuff, that there is for your your
Viewfinder. Image.
sorry, guys,
Alert. Low battery.
Shut off.
Close.
Okay.
Camera. Viewfinder.
So-
Image. Laptop. 0 hours, 22 minutes, and 53 seconds. Computer. 0 hours, 22 minutes, and 55 seconds.
Okay, so like I just said about that, or go wherever the fuck it went. Okay, sorry again. Puts it down. Quit moving. Quit moving. So this is your motherboard, your main board here. This is what makes your clock work. That's like your inside pieces of your clock. So that's the board, okay? So that's the board, and that was your battery cover I just pulled off. So that's the board that goes clear across the alarm clock to make your alarm clock work. So that's the alarm clock board. So that's the end of that. Anybody have anything they want to say, they can comment down below. Demolition Devin signing off. Peace.